Namaste. Welcome to Jeevan Jyoti School, Kohalpur. We have completed 10 years of our journey in Kohalpur. Now, we would like to thank all those who supported us, especially Links to Nepal, Gary Goddard and his team, and also the Vicariate of Nepal, the Catholic Parishad, together with the Bishop, and all those who are supporting us to grow this institution. We are really grateful to all of you, and we thank you for your support. And we also welcome all the students to +1, and we really would like to see that you are acquiring a quality education through Jeevan Jyoti. Thank you, one and all.